Hand application of rack stains, using various methods and tools, can create a nearly endless variety of effects. Alternative application tools include rags, sea sponges, and various sized brushes. The use of alternative methods of applying rack stains to borders, accents, and other small areas are very effective and add creative touches to your projects. Brush marks can, in themselves, produce interesting effects, such as hair on a bear, or the look of texture and depth on a geometric design. Brush marks can be diminished or eliminated with multiple coats. Dabbing in colors with natural sea sponges or rags leaves a faux or marbling look. The twist of your wrist during application creates yet another different effect. Allow at least 4 hours for the rack stain to fully react. You must then neutralize and scrub the floor. Use either a mix of a 1-pound box of baking soda and 5 gallons of water, or a mix of 8 ounces of ammonia with 5 gallons of water to neutralize the surface. Either of these mixtures should be broomed into the work surface. To remove stain residue on interior floors, you may use brushes with long handles and manually scrub the floor. Or you may use a floor machine, sometimes called a buffer, with a nylon bristle brush. During and after the brushing or floor machine scrubbing, you must wet vacuum the liquid residue off the surface. Failure to vacuum the residue and get a thoroughly clean surface could result in a sealer failure at a later date. Care must be taken to remove all water that collects near the walls. Any standing water along the walls could affect wooden studs and could ruin drywall, baseboards, and paint. A rotary deck washer works well outdoors, but care must be taken when using a deck washer so you do not remove too much color from the concrete. Reduce the pressure to only the amount needed to remove the stained residue from the surface. Floor machines usually do not work well on broom finished surfaces. However, rotary deck washers work very well. If you do not have a rotary deck washer, use a pressure washer or long-handled nylon scrub brushes. If using a pressure washer, turn the pressure down to minimum. Then increase the pressure as you see that the color is holding and will not wash away. Be cautious with a pressure washer. Too much high-pressure water too close to the surface will leave ugly fan marks. Rinse exterior walls often. Remember, stained residue can discolor surrounding items, such as gutters, sidewalks, concrete foundations, and painted surfaces. It may be helpful to pre-wet surrounding objects before beginning the residue removal and rinse phases. Residue can likely discolor gutters. Before the application of rack stains begins, apply a water-based clear coat to any concrete like gutters, walkways, and foundations that may be inadvertently exposed to stain or stain residue. Water-based clear sealer is used here so as not to darken the areas to be protected. To prevent stain freckles from happening, splatters must be removed from the clear-coated protected areas. Depending on the regulations in your area, you may need to collect the wash water and properly dispose of it.